All right, in this video, I'm going to talk about the purpose of disability insurance. So to start, many Americans have significant disabilities, whether that is significant hearing loss, vision loss, mobility challenges, any number of other things. There can be cognitive impairments. By the time you start looking across all those different types of disabilities, a pretty significant number of Americans have significant disabilities of some form or fashion. And statistically speaking, the likelihood of disability increases with age. So the older you get, the more likely you are to have some of those mobility issues, hearing issues, vision issues, et cetera, cognitive issues as well. Now, depending on when the disability occurs, it could have some pretty substantial impacts on an individual's financial well-being. So in particular, the most problematic will be if if a person has disability during earning years. Because if a person encounters a disability during earning years, then they will not be able to save as much for retirement, for example. They'll have trouble paying their regular bills, etc. Now, even disability after, say, retirement is significant because in the event of disability in retirement, that could come with added expenses, needing to pay somebody to help with perhaps day-to-day tasks, maybe the need to live in an assisted living facility, and all sorts of things like that. Now, in what we're looking at with this segment of videos that I'll be doing, or this section of videos, will be disability income insurance specifically. And for that, kind of what we're really focusing on is that disability is occurring during the earnings years. And as a result of that, the goal of disability income insurance is to try to provide an income in a circumstance when a person has encountered a disability that is making it impossible for them to work. So basically, then the goal of disability income insurance is to provide a hedge against the possible loss of the ability for the individual to earn an income because of the disability. And as a result of that, actually, what kind of job you have will influence what sort of disabilities would cause problems. So if, for instance, you're in construction, if something occurs where you are no longer able to walk, you're confined to a wheelchair, something like that, it's going to be much harder for you to do your job, obviously, if it's possible at all. You're probably restricted to mostly paperwork or things of that nature. If you are a teacher, you may well be able to carry out those functions and continue to earn an income, even if you were unable to move as normally, and as long as you can get around in a wheelchair and function and do your job that way. So what kinds of things could create a disability event that makes it difficult for you to earn will vary a little bit by profession. Now, significantly, if a person has a disability occur, a disability kind of event that creates a disability, it actually kind of can have two effects that are unfortunately sort of cumulative. The first one is it can reduce income because the person is unable to work. And then the second is if they're unable to earn an income due to the disability, it's also possible that the person is unable to do some of the daily tasks that need to be accomplished, such as bathing themselves, getting around from place to place, things like that. So if it's a really severe disability that starts affecting the ability of somebody to take care of themselves, then this could also increase expenses. So we have sort of two effects, but they're both kind of simultaneously combining to create a much nastier outcome, which is the person may be able to actually earn less, if at all, anything, and the expenses go up. So obviously this can be very damaging to a person's financial well-being, and therefore the disability income insurance that helps to provide an income when a disability occurs through some kind of injury or something like that, then it can help to offset some of those risks. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.